Hello! I love unboxing videos, and I've done I think one or two in the past, and I thought I would do another one because I just subscribed to the Simply Beautiful box and it just arrived and I'm really excited, and I thought I would share it with everybody and open it on camera. So here we go. I don't remember what's in it. Well, it's a little more complicated than I thought it would be. Oh, there we go. Ooh, pretty! Pretty! I don't know if people can see in. First things in here is, it's a little card telling me everything. This is the summertime box. Who doesn't get a little wanderlust in the summertime? Whether you're headed to the beach, planning a weekend getaway, or jetting off to explore Europe. Summer is all about packing up and going. So we filled our Summer Simply Beautiful box with our very favorite travel essentials. Ooh, fun. Oh, pretty. Well, even though it is September, it's hot enough out for it to be summertime, except I'm at work right now. So the first thing in here is some masks. This one is Beauty Restore, Regenerate, and Repair. Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask. Eco-friendly, natural, infused with argan oil. And then this one is called I Don't Want to Grow Up. Huh, don't we all? Lift, firm, and soften fine lines. The hydrating mask as well. So that's the other side of it. And then, oh, that's pretty. This. Well, that's pretty. It is a My Tagalongs, and it's a wallet, but I think it's for a charger and cord case. That'd be nice in your purse. I don't know about you, but I'm always losing my phone in the bottom of my purse, and if I take my cords, I can never find them, or my earbuds, so that might keep me a little tidier. And then I got Stripped Southern Comfort Feminine Wash for really hot days. I just dropped the other things on the floor. And aren't they pretty? Lark and Ives Collectibles. Oh, the phone's ringing. Not going to answer it. Oh, they're little lapel pins. So there is a shoe, a pineapple, a hot air balloon, a margarita glass, and an airplane. That's kind of fun. Some Nail Regenerate All Skin Types Probiotic Anti-Aging Night Cream. Haha, anti-aging. Need that. Oh, it's a nice big bottle too, so that's like full size. 40 grams. Pretty bottle too. That's really nice. And then I got a Wanderlust bag from Peony Blush. It's a makeup bag. I don't usually carry that much makeup. Maybe I'll have to start. And then I got a really pretty, oh, that's really cute. It's a beach tote. I'll take this shopping. A beach tote. That's a pretty cool bag. Wow, it's canvas. I love stripes. And it's got a dome at the top. Oh, that's fantastic. That's a nice bag. Now, when I ordered my subscription, I was able to buy the summer box. So I'm waiting for my fall box to arrive, and I will let you know what's in it. Fun. Very fun. And everything's usable, which is really cool. I'm excited about it. Bye.